Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. In this video we will just discuss about the paper style of your maths subject maths. Okay students, so in that first of all how many chapters are there? I am just writing that on the board. So the chapters which are there in this term, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 14, 15. These chapters are there. Okay, and now please take out your syllabus. Okay students, now please take out your paper pattern or syllabus which is given to you. Okay students, which is given to you. See here, it is written only in that time only 15, 14, 12, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this all the things are written as same only. And now first please see here in the maths, the first question number 1, that is objective. In that 10 will be asked. So from that objective, which can be asked, I am just telling that. Okay students, so for that please take your syllabus with you only. I am just writing the chapter. Okay, but directly moving towards so from A, section A, what will be asked? See in your just question number, I am just writing board in the board also. Question number A, in that it will be asked is section A, section number A, that is 1 mark each. In that there will be 10 fill in the blanks out of 10. What will be there? It is written over here only. Fill in the blanks can be there, MCQ can be there, or definitions can be there, formula can be there, short answers can be there, in one sentence identification, match the following, all the things can there. But what I have asked, that I am telling you, that first I have asked is in section A, talking about that is MCQ, then true false, true or false, and then after definition, define or definition, and then after formula, and then after some of the probability sum is there over here, which we will count in the fill in the blanks, that is FB. So these things are there in section number A. Okay, in section number A, which see here, first of all, first sum will be of division. So that is of MCQ. Okay, that is of MCQ. Then other one is also from MCQ only, but in that you have to find the degree of polynomial, that is from chapter number 2. And true or false, that the third question will be of true or false, and in that there are true or false. Okay students, and question number 4, that is you have to just it is from the definitions of Euclid's geometry. Okay, the fourth question is from Euclid's geometry. And fifth definition, fifth and sixth are the definitions that you have to define some of the lines, you have to define some of the squares, rectangles, triangles, you have to define that what is that. And seventh in section A, seventh one will be, see here, in that you have to find the area of triangle. So the value will be not given, and you have to, I am just telling these important things to you. So please watch this video properly. If you have watched this video properly, then you can easily score more marks. Okay. So in question number 7, what you will be asked is find the area of triangle, and you have to know, you know that from which chapter it can be asked, find the area of triangle. You only know it is from which Heron's formula. Some of the formulas are there, from that you have to find the area of triangle. Then coming towards one formula is, you have to write a formula of one chapter, that is also from Heron's formula. You have to learn all Heron's formula. From that one is asked, and then you have asked to find in 9th, that is fill in the blanks. In that you have to find, what you have to find? You have to find the P prime probability. This is from chapter number probability, that is chapter number 15, probability. The last sum, that is fill in the blanks from probability. You have to find P of P prime event. Means you have given that P of A is equal to this, then you have to find P prime of A is what? Then you know 1 minus P of A is the answer. Okay, value I will not tell you, students. And directly moving towards section number B. So from section number B, okay, from section number B, what will be asked? Here I am first of all writing that. So first will be asked, that is factorize then another can be asked is find value using identities. Find value using identities. Okay, students, find values using identities. And another one is, you have to tell that write which quadrant the following point lie. So you know that some of the quadrants will be given to you, and you have to say that this is of this quadrant. Okay, this is one question. And another one is, you have to plot a graph. The points is given and you have to plot a graph. Plot the graph of given points. So you know that how to draw. I have just draw that graph on the board, and I know that you can draw it easily. Okay, students, and please take a graph with you in your exam. Okay, students, moving further. And another also you have to find is solution for the equation. In that we have done that solution. Wait, I am explaining. Solution of equation, and in that you have to find different solution for x. See, here I am taking example. If they have given you a formula that 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, then after what you do, you find the solutions. In that you have to find the solution of equation. If we take x is equal to 0, then y we get is equal to, here 2 into 0, 0 plus 3y is equal to 9. Then y is equal to 3 3s are 9. Then if we take the x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Then another one, if we take x sorry, what is x if we take y is equal to 0? It will be what? 3 into 0, that is 0. So 9 by 2 is your answer. This 2 will go down. And what if we take x is equal to 1? Then what we get? Y, 2 ones are 2. 2, it is here plus, then it will go here, then minus, then 7. 7, 9 minus 2, that is 7. Then if we take 7 over here, and that we will get that y is equal to 7 by 3. So this type of solution you have to find in this one. Okay students, in this you have to find this solution. The equation is given to you. And moving further, and another, that is, you have to find the value of k. Any equation is given. See here I am just rubbing. In section B only, not going anywhere. Section B, find the value of k. In that we have to find the value of k. Here x and y value is given, and there is an equation. In that you have to put the value of x and y, and you will find the value of k. This type of sum we have done. Okay, and another, what can be there, that is, in this also the area of triangle is there. So from chapter number, area of triangle, it is from Heron's formula. Heron's formula that you have to do. Okay students, area of triangle from Heron's formula, that you have to find. Okay, and the probability chapter number 15, probability sum is there over here. Okay students, and the another one, that is expand. We have to expand according to identity 5. So you should know the identity number 5. Okay students, if you know the identity number 5, then you can expand it according to the identity number 5. Now here we have just completed the section number B. Now going towards section number C. Before that, if you want to write this, then write down. I am giving you some time, or pause your video, take screenshot, and then after also you can write. If you are writing on these video only, play video, then I am giving you some time. Please note down that. And okay students, have you written? Now just moving towards section number C. Sorry, I forgot about this chapter also. I have just rubbed. So now section number C. Section number C. Section number C. So in that, what you have to do? In that, again there is an chapter number 2, polynomial. In that you have to factorize. The sum will be asked of factorize. In that you have, this is according to the one of the identity which is in chapter number two polynomials. Okay students, that you have to factorize that. And another one, that is in that you have to draw a graph. Oh, we have studied the chapter number 3, geometry, okay, coordinate geometry. In that is according to it, I forgot the chapter name number, but I remember the chapter name, that was coordinate geometry. In that was graph, draw the graph of a linear equation, of the linear equation. There is an equation given and you have to plot the graph. Okay students, you have to plot the graph in that. So draw a graph of a linear equation. An equation will be given to you and you have to draw a graph on that linear equation. You have to take different values of x and y and you have to plot the graph. Okay students, moving further, find the here you have to find in the another what is there in section C, that is find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here the value will be given of AB is equal to this, BC is equal to this, and CD is equal to this, DA is equal to this, AC is equal to this, and you have to find the area of quadrilateral ABC and D. This is there in the section C. And moving further, and there will be a sum of probability. Probability given over here, in that it is about 2 coins. I am saying you that in this probability sum there it will be asked about 2 coins. Okay students, I am saying you that you can just find the question of 2 coins, from that it will be okay. Now moving towards section number D. So it is very important students. See here, section number D, section number D. So in that what will be asked, that is the first sum that will be asked, that is you have to find mean. Find mean of the given data. You have to find the mean of the given data in section number D. And then after you have to find area of triangle. Okay, the values are given in the ratios of it, that this ratio, this is the sides of the triangle, and you have to find its perimeter is given and you have to find its area. Okay students, that is find area. This is from Heron's formula, I think. I don't know, but yes, I think it is from Heron's formula only. I forgot the chapter. Okay, now another sum. See here, in that what, again you have to find the area of triangle only, but the triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay students, so there is a sum of isosceles triangle that you can do it, and then comes the simplification. Okay students, simplification. So in that what you have to do is simplify is given. Okay students, in that you have to just simplify the given equation which is there. Okay students, here I am just taking the example of it, which how can it be asked. So this simplification will be asked from the chapter number 1. See here I am just calculating one of the example, okay students. So you can know that how to simplify any of this. So here it is given, I am just calculating the example. Here in the exercise 1.6 it is given that 11 1 by 2 upon 11 1 by 4. So how to simplify this? Okay students, first of all calculate by your own. I am just giving you some of the hints. So first of all what will happen? 11 1 by 2 into 11 minus 1 by 4. It will happen. Now do it first of all by your own self students, then after I am just saying you. So here what will we can do? 11 1 by 2 minus 4. So now taking the LCM, let us take here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is given. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 minus 1 by 4. So 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Then our answer will be 4. LCM is 4, so 4, and 2 minus 1, that is answer is 1 by 4. Then we get that is 11 raised to 1 by 4 is our answer. Please note down this students, if you want this type of sum will be asked in this. Okay students, this type of the sum will be asked. Okay. Now let us revise it again, all the things which we have seen. Okay students, now the first 1 mark each, in that what will be asked? The MCQ, true or false, definition, formula, identity. Okay students, that is to be asked, and one of the formula which I have told, that will ask from the Heron's formula chapter only. And then after in section B we have seen that first it will be asked factorize, then after we have to find the value of the suitable identity. So you should use or learn all the identities, and then after write which quadrant of the following point lies. There are some points will be given and you have to identify which quadrant it lies. Then plot the points in the graph, that also I have explained you. Then after solutions for the equation, that you can do. Then find the value of k. Again students, I am repeating it, so please you have right, then keep it your eye on that, and find the value of k. It is asked x and y value will be given, and an equation will be given. Then after you have to find the area of triangle, in that two sides are given and a perimeter is given, and you know that which formula is used. Okay. Then after sides, in the another example also you have to find the area of triangle only, in that the sides are given in the ratio and perimeter is also given, and you know that which formula is to be used. And then after a coin probability is given, then a coin is tossed how many times, and how many this time head and this time tails. That example easy, that is asked, and you have to solve one example, expand according to the identity number 5 you have to do. So you have to learn identity number 5. Then after factorized, in section C there is a factorize, means you have to factorize according to the identities. For that you have to learn the identities of factorizations, and then after you have to draw a graph of a linear equation. Okay, of linear equation. A linear equation is given, and then you have to take x and y, all different values, and then after you have to plot a graph of that equation. Then after find the area of quadrilant ABCD, and you should know the formula of area of quadrilateral. Okay, you know that which chapter. I am not writing the chapter, I am just directly saying that which questions are I have asked. In your just syllabus it is given, section A 1 marks, section B 2 marks, section 3 3 marks, section 4 4 marks. I am not telling you direct, I am not telling the chapters that which are coming, but I am directly telling the topics which are coming. Okay students, so you know that what you have to do. I have told all the topics which are there in it. Then after, one sum will be of probability. So I have told you it is of 2 coins. So you have to do a probability sum which have 2 coins. Okay, and then after coming to the section number D, that is find the mean. A sum is given and you have to find the mean. You know the formula of mean, what is it? Then the value which is given, you have to find the value of mean, and find the area of triangle. And a triangle which sides or anything else will be given, and you have to find the area of triangle. It is easy. And simplification, it is according to the chapter number 1, like this sum. Okay students, which we have done. Okay, here I have explained all the topics which are coming in your paper, and also the main topics, means this sum will be of this only. So I haven't written the chapters in blueprint. There is some mistake, or the marks are just not proper thing, I think so, but I have just tell all the topics. So you just don't need a blueprint of it, because I have just directly told the topic that from this topic only it will be asked in section A, B, C and D. Okay students, see here, find the mean. So it is from section D is one have statistic question. Here find the area of triangle, that is I think from Heron's formula. Okay, and simplification, that is chapter number 1. So in section number D, which we have to do, that I have given you, and now you have to think, just think out of the circle or think out of the box, then you can know that which question I have asked. Okay students, and which type of question I have asked. Okay students, and best of luck for your exam. Okay students, and we will meet in the next term or next video. Okay students, bye students, and again best of luck, and write paper properly. If your paper will be neat and clean, and then also if some marks are cutting, then also I will not see that, I will see your neat and clean paper only, and I will give the marks. Okay students, your paper should be neat and clean. Okay students, then I can just give the marks what I want. Okay. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, tomorrow is Sunday, today is Saturday, and you can send me anytime the doubt. Just click a photo and send me on the WhatsApp, then I will reply as soon as possible when I am free. Okay students, I am just giving all the answers to all the students, but at some, when I am busy I can't answer, but at late I am just answering all the questions of all the students. Okay students, and we will meet in the next video, and best of luck again. Okay students, bye.